Hello, library patrons! Today we're going to explore the OneSearch search bar. OneSearch is an alternative to searching for articles using the A to Z database list. Using OneSearch allows you to find what you need without having to look through each database one by one. Instead, the OneSearch search bar combines all of the library's resources into one place, allowing you to locate more resources in one single search. Near the top center of the library homepage, you will see the words "Start Your Research Here" with a search bar immediately below. When you click in the search bar, a search options box will drop down. By default, the OneSearch option is selected, which will search everything connected to the library resources, both print and online. Then enter a search term and click the red magnifier button or press Enter on your keyboard. A results page of your search will then be displayed in a separate tab. Before looking at results, you should sign in by clicking the Sign In button in the yellow prompt at the top of the page. Here, you can sign in entering your last name _ first name and your Roberts or seminary password. Do not enter @roberts.edu. Signing in will allow you to view all available resources and options. Now let's take a look at features in OneSearch that will help you in your research. The Advanced Search feature is located to the right of the search bar. Clicking on it will allow you to add more specific search phrases, limit the material type, and select publication dates. On the sidebar, there are options for sorting your results and choosing filters. These filters include availability, resource type, subject, author, publication date, and more. The filters will allow you to, for example, only view resources that are from peer-reviewed journals, have full text availability online, and are published from 2010 to 2019. All active filters will be shown at the top of the sidebar and can be added or removed as needed. If you want your filters to remain throughout your research session, make sure to lock them by hovering over the filter and clicking the lock icon. Now when you change your search terms, the locked filters remain. The full text of resources can be accessed directly by clicking on the green Full Text Available button on the item. Clicking this will open directly to where the resource is housed. Full text can also be accessed by clicking on the resource's title, then clicking on the link under the View It tab. For resources that are not available in full text, click on the gray No Full Text link. From here, you can click on the link to Iliad Interlibrary Loan. Iliad will allow you to request a resource that is not available through the Golisano Library to be shared with you from another library through interlibrary loan. When you click on the Iliad link, a new tab will open. From here, you can add your Roberts or Seminary username and password. OneSearch will transfer the resource's information into Iliad, making it easy to request that specific resource. Back on your search results page, you will also be able to view resources that are available in print at the Golisano Library. Located at the end of the green and blue Available at B. Thomas Golisano Library link, there is a call number that will tell you where in the library you can find that book. If you have any questions, please stop by the library, call the Research Assistance Desk at 585-594-6949, or send us an email at research@roberts.edu. Thank you for joining us today. Happy researching!